What you just saw was the outer pane breaking away, but the inner pane stopped the rock. The inner pane will crack, but it doesn't break away, so he can't get his hand in to unlock the window. Oops, I don't think he's done trying yet. Not even a hammer punched a hole in this glass. But let's say that it had punched a small hole. No one is going to try to get their fingers through that little tiny hole with jagged glass to try to unlock the window. Now you will have to replace the glass, but what you're not going to have to do is replace the computers, electronics, valuables, maybe even your identity. Why would anyone spend money to replace their windows and then spend additional money for unsightly security bars, or what I like to call prison roll shutters? With Krasiva SafeGuard windows, you get everything in one.